So we're yet off again to evening show jumping at Silverleys. I've just washed Oak, so he's nice and clean and shiny, so that's good. I'm just gonna scrape him off, and yes, so we're gonna be leaving at 7. I'm not sure what the time is. I think it's about 6ish, possibly 5. I'm not too sure. I think it might actually be 5. Mum's just lunging Annie in the school, so yeah, I'm gonna sort my unimpressed pony out. Oakley is all clean in his stable, chilling. It's probably about 6:30. Also got half an hour today to boot up and load. Mum's gone to get the trailer, so I can start loading it. So yeah, should be very exciting. There's a lot in my class today. Hopefully it goes smoothly, not like last time. Last time was I had hiccups as well. Last time was very hectic, so I do apologise for my hiccups as well. But yeah, as I was saying, last time was hectic. Hopefully nobody falls off and it goes quite smoothly. My times are 10 to 8 and half 8. So we should be back at about 9ish. Hiccups. Oak's all shiny and ready for jumping, so should be fun. These hiccups are just terrible. Hopefully they go away before I start riding. But yeah, so there's a lot in my class this time. I'm just aiming for a clear. I'm gonna go because these hiccups are hurting. So yeah, here's your little update, guys. Yeah, Oakley was just sticking his nose through there at me while I was sitting on the box outside. He was like, hello. Yeah, I just got to put all my saddle and that in the trailer when it comes around. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. It's the second attempt because Oakley kicked the trailer and Mother said some words she shouldn't have. But yeah, Emma is here. She's going to be helping me today. She's a little grooming training. So we just left. Hopefully get there for like 7:15. So it should be fun. Oakley is in the back. He's being cheeky. But yeah, so I'm doing 1780, so it should be fun. There's like 17 in each class, so that's fun. I'm just going for a clear round though, as I said. So yeah, Emma, are you excited?
Very.
So I'll see you guys when we get there. We are just leaving now, and I'm honestly so proud of Oak that he came first. In the 70, bear in mind there was about 14 to 17 in each class, and I can't believe it. He went clear and came first. I couldn't have asked for it to have gone any better. I'm so proud of him. In the 70, we just had 2 poles, both rider errors. Oh yeah, 80, sorry. In the 80, we had 2 poles, in the 70, we went clear. In the 80, we just had 2 poles. I just want to also appreciate that sunset behind the polo pitch. Lovely. It wasn't even focusing. It's kind of sad, but it's fine. Yeah, 2 poles in the 80. Just rider errors, really. He was kind of rushing knife fiddle too much with his face, and he unfortunately knocked them. But that's just something to work on in next time. So yeah, we're on our way home now. So I'll see you when we're back at the yard. Hi guys, we're back. So I'm just gonna sort him out. I've got hiccups. You'll see Mum in a minute. But yeah. There's Oak. Oh, ready for bed. I now need to sort out everything my mother's brought for me. Let's turn the light on. That might be a bit helpful. Oh yeah, Mum, can I have that hay nut up here, please? Thank you. But yeah, so proud of Oakley. So proud of Oakley today. Couldn't have asked this day to have gone any better, really. Yeah, he was just a superstar. Huh? But yeah, I'll talk in a minute. I'm just putting the last few things in the back. It's such a mess in there. I'm gonna just sort it out another day. Okay, just chuck this in his box. Cut the rug in there. Oh. Also just need to wet his feet for tomorrow. He can go in. Like a little man. But overall, I'm very, very proud of him today. He did brilliant. I don't mind him having 2 poles because they were rider errors. So I can sort that out next time. Because we've got quite a few more of these happening. So I can always sort it out then. Good boy. But overall, I'm really, really proud of him today. He really showed his talent. And overall, he's just a superstar. I'm very anxious wearing white at a yard. I mean, the jod's already dirty, but I don't like it. It doesn't feel normal wearing white. Oh, opening the toilet the whole time. Silly Boney. Yeah, I'm gonna go finish getting Oak's other hay net, and I've just spilt the food. Hey ho. I'm gonna go get Oak's other hay net, and hello. Empress, this isn't yours. I'm throwing food everywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna leave that there because I'm gonna throw food everywhere. But yeah, hope. I'm sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Overall, I'm very, very proud of Oaks, and I couldn't have asked this day to go any better. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Say bye, Oaks. Come here, say bye.